Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it, y'all. You know, I don't like to waste nobody time. But before we do that, can we get this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people? So today we're gonna be touching bases on Glu Mobile. That's ticker symbol GLU. We're gonna be talking about the charts. We're gonna look at the charts to see where this thing is headed. We're gonna talk about the news that got this thing jumping out of the water like it's crazy. Then we're going to talk about whether I'm getting a position and how I'm going to play this one. Am I going to play it or am I going to sit on the sidelines? So let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. So Glu Mobile, for the ones that don't know, Glu Mobile, we are game makers. With a history spanning over a decade, Glu's culture is rooted in taking smart risks and fostering creativity to deliver world-class interactive experience for our players. Join us. So that's their motto. Some of the games that they feature on Glu, some of the games that you may know, I might know. I'm gonna go over them. Universe is one. Design Home, Dinner Dash Adventures. That's a game I'm familiar with. I played Dinner Dash a couple times. You got Tap Sports, baseball game, Covette Fashion, Cooking Dash, Restaurant Dash, and you got Kim Kardashian Hollywood. That's a few games that Glu Mobile have. So let's go ahead and check out this news. What happened in the headlines to make the stock pop? So Electronic Arts to acquire Glu Mobile in $2.4 billion deal. This was updated on February 8th, 2021 at 6 p.m. This was after market close yesterday. So, and that explains the huge spike up to after hours. Electronic Arts said Monday it is acquiring Glu Mobile in a $2.4 billion deal, aimed at expanding an area of business in which the video game giant has had mixed success. The all-cash deal, which is expected to close in the June-ended quarter, will bring Glu's mobile games such as Kim Kardashian Hollywood, Dinner Dash, and MLB Tap Sports Baseball to EA. Glu shareholders will receive $12.50 a share, representing a 36% premium to Glu's closing price Friday. EA said Glu shares rose 34% to $12.56 in extended trading on Monday. So that's huge, y'all. For the ones that didn't really get it or understand, Glu was trading at around $9.50 yesterday, and Electronic Arts, they paid $2.4 million for Glu Mobile. They paid 9, 10, 11, 12. They paid $3.50 over the share price, what it was previously at. They paid more for the company than they was worth at the time. So that's already like that never happened. A company never paid more than what they have to type jump. So they gotta see something huge inside this company. They gotta see expansion, doubling from what they just bought it at. They got to see that they able to double what they've done in a short period of time for them to do such a deal that fast and like make them take the offer at 12.5, at 2.4 billion. They paid over what the company is actually worth. So, be prepared with this stock. Don't be surprised. This could have a huge pullback because they just wanted the shareholders to get $12.50 per share and they stake in the company. So after the shareholders got theirs, like which is now the price is priced in, it could go higher or it could pull back, it could drop because the deal was already locked in at that price. So let's look into it. We did this deal because we believe mobile is the fastest growing platform on the planet. See, like I was just saying, they must got some high hopes for this company. We did this deal because we believe mobile is the fastest growing platform on the planet for video games. EA Chief Executive Andrew Wilson said the combination of these two companies create market leader in lifestyle and sports. So they have a game plan. EA is making a big move into the world of mobile gaming with the acquisition of Glu Mobile, a developer best known for his work on celebrity-focused titles based on stars like Katy Perry and Kim Kardashian. Its portfolio also includes popular titles like Design Home, Covert Fashion, and MLB Tap Sports Baseball. EA says that once the deal is closed, it will have acquired GLUU for $2.1 billion in enterprise value. So that's all the information I had on y'all with the news updates and about GLUU. Now let's look at the charts. Let's look at the stats, and then we want to look at the charts. GLUU opened at $9.34. It had a high of $9.40, a low of $9.06. The 52K week high is $10.85. The 52K week low is $3.98. So let's look at the chart, guys. Okay, so on Monday, we opened up at $9.14, $9.15. And then we traded sideways all day, 9:30, staying between 9:30, 9:10, 9:40 range. And then after hours, we shot up. Once that news got out, we shot up to $12.73, and then didn't have a pullback. We pulled back to $12.55, but that wasn't much of a pullback at all. It's holding this game. So a week ago, it traded at $8.94, the high eights, $9 range. A month ago, $8.64. 3 months ago, $8.06. A year ago, it had reached a high. On April 5th, 2019, it reached a high of $11.54, and it already broke past $11.54. It already broke past its all-time high, not just the 52K week high that it's been, the highs it been in a year. It broke past the highs it been, period, throughout this whole history of performing in the stock market. It broke that during after hours, trading at $12.55 now. So this then showed you once a stock breaks the all-time high, and you can't read back on the graph to see where it's going next. That mean it had a potential to go, up and beyond. It is looking for a new high of the day, a new all-time high. That's what it's searching for right now. Right now, the all-time high is the price that it's currently at, $12.55. But it done broke past the old all-time high, so it could be reaching for higher levels. But be very careful. You want to also be careful in this stock, because when it had a nice little run up, it can also pull back. It could pull back to 10 range, 10.50, 10.25. It could also see the nines. So be careful. If you want to have a little fun in this position, I would suggest getting a little small position just to have some skin in the game. And but as far as me getting in on this, if I would see at the market open, if it have a pullback, I might get in for a few shares, just because of the good news that came out, and the CEO, they sound like they have a nice plan to make this company double in a short period of time. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll keep y'all updated on it. If you like these type of predictions, if you like this, you already know where to find me at. Don't forget to like this. Consider subscribing, joining the family. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We out. God bless.